Update on my 3-tier tower here that I planted some of my cuttings off of some of my mint and basil plants. Look at the mint there, it's looking good. Basil coming on in here good. There's some more of the mint. Yes. Mint coming in there. My little lettuce hadn't come up yet. And my spinach. There's some more of the basil growing down there. Looking good. These top tiers here are supposed to be spinach. And no spinach is coming up here. Let's see. Got some more basil growing down there. Yes, I see you. I may move the basil up to a higher spot. And just let the spinach go down at the bottom since they're not producing right now. I may try to plant some more, sow some more seeds in there. Okay, looking good, looking good. So you can replant more of your plants from cuttings off of other plants that you're growing. Yeah. Got me a lot of mint growing now. And basil. Come on, basil. Move some stuff around. Ones that were germinating, I moved them onto the top and the bottom stack. I put the ones that was taking a little longer to germinate. Down here I had spinach and it's taking forever to germinate. So I'm keeping them down at the bottom. I sowed some more seeds in these trays. This tray here. Next row up I put some lemon basil seeds. Let's see what I get out of that. And on this tray here, my mint is germinating. Yes, it is. Looking good. Where the other mint is. There it is right there. Okay, mint, come on. But the basil is the ones that got the top rows. Basil is coming up. I added some more romaine lettuce seeds in here because they didn't germinate. So I'm gonna see if they're gonna germinate again, but the basil is taking over. That's the top grower in this tower here. Basil here, all from the cuttings that I had. Some basil over there. There's some basil right here. So let's see what the rest of the gang gonna do. But look over here. I'm gonna have collard green seeds for years. I have to cut these off and store them. And these little pods are a lot of collard green seeds. And this is my Georgia Southern collards that I planted. Look at this, all of this blooming here. All of these seed pods. Well, I'm gonna have collard greens forever. Be able to grow collard greens for a lifetime with all of these seeds. Wait till they dry up, or I may just cut them and put them in a brown paper bag and let them dry off themselves in the brown paper bag. But look at this pods. You can see the roughness of it, the little seeds inside there. You have to open that up and sprinkle them around in your garden bed, and you can grow you some more collard greens. Boy, a lot of collard greens. Look at that. I don't know what made them bolt and go to seed so early. I just keep saying maybe it's God telling us, save your seeds. It's time for saving seeds because we may not have these seeds around. for years to come. I'm glad I have an abundance of collard greens because my family loves collard greens. I love collard greens. Whew, a lot of collard greens here. A lot of collard green seeds to collect. Look at this, look at this. It looks so beautiful. Yes, it does. Look at that, look at that.